Hello, my name is Belen and the resource I've chosen is Kahoot, a platform whose main objective is to reinforce knowledge that students have previously analyzed. In my case, I'm going to evaluate it in a fourth secondary school class because I use this tool a lot with my students. For example, the other day I explained relative pronouns to my students, and after several classes I created a Kahoot for them to identify the correct relative pronoun. This is the one I did, and now I'm going to explain how to do it, but you're going to see that it's very easy. You have to click here, create, and well, I use it without paying, so I can take only two types of questions. Here you have to write a sentence, for example, that's the man I spoke to the other day, and some possible answers, for example, which, who is the correct one, so you have to click here. And the other type of question is true or false. You can insert an image if you want, and something important that the application also offers you is that you can change the time you are going to give the students to answer the questions. And when you have all the questions, you only have to click save, and that's all. Here you have the Kahoot design on relative pronouns, and you only have to click on start and classic mode. Students have to enter the code that appears on their mobile phones or computers, and they will be able to play. They have to choose the correct answer before the time runs out, and at the end there is a podium, and you can see the mistakes and comment on them. Well, for the evaluation of this resource, we are going to deal with the evaluation principles provided by Carol Chapelle. The first one is language learning potential. The Kahoot is a very good tool for students to reinforce their knowledge. In this case, the students have worked on one part of the grammar, the relative pronouns, but I've also created Kahoots in this class to review, for example, the vocabulary of the units or irregular verbs. In this way, we get the students to acquire the learning and development of key competencies such as linguistic competence and the use of ICT. Then we have learner fit. The level is easily adaptable because we create the questions and we can make it more or less complicated depending on the level of our students. And the same goes for the length of each question. Then we have meaning focus. It captures the student's attention very well to learn, in this case, the meaning of pronouns in English language. Then we have authenticity. When taking the questions, we must try to make them examples that are close to their reality so that they can apply the learning acquired in their daily lives outside the classroom. Then we have impact. By using the Kahoot, we will get the students to learn more about the target language, and in this case they will be clear about the importance of knowing and using relative pronouns correctly. And also the fact of doing tasks with the technologies, that there is time to do them, that the correction is immediate, that there is some competition, motivates them and attracts their attention, and therefore the impact is high. And finally, Kahoot is a practical resource that can be done with the digital screen and the student's mobile, or also in the school computer room. And if it is done in class and some don't have a mobile phone, it can be done in person. And that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye.